Please.
I think so.
Yep. All right, we're pulled into Dickens Landscape Supply, and this is in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And they've actually got mowers out here for sale. Look at this. You don't see that very... Oh, look at there. Look up front. There it is. That's why we're here. I'm gonna pull over here and show you what's going on. Ta-ching. This has been my air conditioner controller on the way. Big girls, y'all can come, little ones can't. Y'all can play. Take your seatbelt off to play. All right, Ellie, tell them why we're here.
We came to get a new walk-behind tractor.
All right, so let's go talk to the salesman. Howdy, howdy. Are you a salesman?
Yeah.
Did I talk to you on the phone?
Tiller.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm here with Mr. Tyler. He's from Dickens Landscape, Turf and Landscape Supply, and he's going to tell us about a BCS 749 walk-behind tractor. What do we need to know about, Tyler?
You had anything like this before?
We've had just regular tillers.
Okay. So it's a 13 horsepower Honda electric start with a 30-inch tiller box.
Okay. And is that attached or does that come off?
It does come off. The way it is now, you would have to take
Bolts.
unbolt it.
Right.
They do make a quick hitch for these, something you can add where you can take the attachments on and off without tools.
Okay. Is that something y'all keep in stock or is that a special order item?
We usually keep them.
Okay. All right.
But for this setup, you don't have to have it.
Okay.
You can add it if you want, but it's not mandatory.
Okay. Is it electric start, pull start?
This is electric start.
Okay.
It does still have the rope also, just in case your battery's down or something. You can still pull start.
Okay.
So to start it, all you have here is this on-off switch.
Okay.
Walk around front. You have your choke here, and then your key.
That sure beats the fire out of yanking on that cord, don't it?
Yeah, it's nice. So that's on off. This is your parking brake. Forward is on, or forward is off, which is where it is now. If you pulled it back, the parking brake would be on.
Okay.
This red lever here is your forward or your reverse.
Okay.
This black lever here is the differential lock.
Okay.
Forward, both tires are not locked. You pull it back, it locks the differential so both tires pull.
Okay.
This is your throttle. This lever here in the center, you can mash down and it adjusts the height of the handles.
Okay.
This lever here, pull up, and you can move the handles to either side so you don't have to walk behind what you're working in.
Okay.
BCS sells some attachments too that operate from the other direction, so you can't flip these handles on the way
We were
back.
wondering about that. We saw some where the engine was in the back, and we wondered about that.
Certain things, mostly like the mowing attachments, you would flip the handles around so you're away from it.
Okay.
These two levers on the outside are your steering brakes.
Okay.
Helps it turn left or right. This lever here, this is your PTO lever. Push it forward, it engages the attachment. Pull it back, it turns it off.
Okay.
This lever is your speeds. So there's a first, second, and third gear, a neutral in between. First and second gear are working gears. The third gear is just a transport.
Okay. You'll take it on a spin for us?
Yep. So since this one is a power safe, it says there, this one operates a little different than the ones that don't have this. So you put it in gear, pull the clutch lever, hold down the safety handle, and then let go of the clutch lever, and it takes off. this, just let go and it stops.
Okay.
It doesn't kill the engine, which is the nice thing about the power safe versus not having it. If you let go like I just did on a smaller machine without it, that would have killed it.
Now you told us that this box, it comes off, there's a quick attach for it. What other attachments can we get?
There's, they have a rotary plow, they have a brush mower, it's like a small bush hog, they have sickle mowers, they have a chipper, they have a pressure washer.
So this is your do-all machine then?
Yeah, this you buy this tractor and you can do a large amount of different things with it, with all the different attachments.
Okay, what in the lineup is a 749? Is that entry level? Is that top of the line?
It's towards the top.
Towards the top.
It's not the top, but it's closer to the top than the entry level.
Okay, and what does the entry level not have that this does, and what does the top level have that this one doesn't?
So as you go down, of course you go down in engine size, you go down in tire size, you go down in features like the steering brakes, the locking differential, the power safe. You also, as you go down, you can become limited to what attachments you can buy or what size of attachments you can use.
Can a model this size pretty much take any attachment?
When you get to this one, it will do some version of just about everything.
Okay. Okay. What would I look for in the attachment? Is it a certain hookup, or is it just by model number?
There's a chart.
Okay.
There's a chart by tractor model. What will go on?
Okay.
it, and what you have to modify to make it work.
Sure. But it sounds like it's pretty versatile, and you can get make anything work. It sounds like from what you're telling me. Okay. Very cool. What does the higher models have? What do they have that this one doesn't?
It would go up slightly in horsepower, tire size again, and then one above this you can potentially get it in a diesel.
Oh, I see.
If you wanted a diesel.
Okay.
But that would probably be the most drastic difference.
Right.
Above this.
Right. But I mean, just looking at it, this thing looks like a horse.
It is.
Okay. Well, anything else that we didn't think to ask?
Not that I can think of.
Okay. Well, why don't
Back it up.
yeah, we don't want it to get hit, do we? It's got a key. I just saw that. Look at here, folks. It's got a key. Thanks, sir. Okay, we paid for it. We've got all of our manuals. Is there anything else you want to tell us about this place?
Good luck and happy tilling.
Okay. All right. Thank y'all.